Firstly, we have to open up Google Drive website, and here it is. Open up the link. As you can see, Google Drive contain of classroom, spreadsheet, and so on. It is a safe place for your file to store any file, and we can see our stuff everywhere in orderly manner, and we can share the files and folder quickly, and we can invite others. And I have to use this kind of cloud to share my FYP, and we have to log in by using our Gmail account. The encryption goes in here, and this is my cloud space of Google Drive. What we have to do is just click on my drive, and we can create any folder that we want, such as secret key. As we can see, all this folder can be shared, and I want to share a folder that name FYP2 under FYP underscore my name. And as you can see, these are my thesis contain of FYP. Google Drive can share with others, with anyone. As you can see, they can edit or any view, and we can put on any email address if you want to share to anyone, and it can be view only or editing. As you can see here, there's a few steps that Google Drive have shared to the user on how they manage their files. Alright, but then anyone can access the folder by link by the email. Therefore, I want to make it really secure by a shareable link, but they have to encrypt it by Google Spreadsheet or Google Drive forms. Okay, then we create a blank form. We edit a template to make it more interesting. Yes. Fill in the form title with FYP secret key. So this folder description is only for the review of authorized users, such as my supervisor, my co-supervisor, or my dearest friend who I appointed to open up this folder. If the link is being spreadable via WhatsApp or via email, but they have to encrypt it with unique keys, such as any passwords or any numbers that I've created. So what is the password is the first question, and we require to um, put up with text, any text. So I choose to put it on jojo FYP 2017, and if they put on the wrong encryption, so the attempt will be sorry, wrong errors or wrong attempts. So the second question will be not that easy. What is the second password? So to make sure that tests will be not interrupted by any unnecessary users, so I put on number which is equal to my date of birth. Right, so if the attempts are failed, so I put on try again, and I put another question to make sure that the user know what they are doing here. So who are you? I just put on some checkbox question. So there must be my supervisor or my co-supervisor or even my friends. They can even went through any of the folders and make clear with editing or reviewing with the files. So to ensure that they open up the correct folder, and they have to know what they are doing in the folder, so I put on another question. Which folder will you want to review? So there's a few files in there. Firstly is acknowledgement. Secondly is slideshow. Third will be front page. Fourth will be survey form. Fifth is report. It is the most important part in this thesis. Front page, approval and declaration form. And I also put on a folder with microtik backup, and lastly the video on the demonstration. So make sure that any of the password is correct, and check for the last time before you publish the link to anyone that are required to open up your folder. At the setting, we can select any addresses or limit to any one response, or edit after submit and see the summary chart of text responses. So we have to put on some confirmation messages after the steps are being completed by the user, by the authorized user. So Before that, we have copied on the clipboard of fyp underscore Amirah Zandani link folder before that. Therefore, we have to paste it on this confirmation message and put on a quick note. Your requested file on the jojo's FYP is here, guys. Check it out. Put smiley on that and just paste the link and save it. Therefore, we can review any of it. Yes, this is the complete FYP secret key. Let us make a test. So what is the password? Yes. So then it's not that easy. You have to encrypt it with another number. Okay, that's correct. So who are you? Yeah, we act as a friend and we want to edit on the report or the video, any of it. So there is it. The link is being appeared here. So open up the link that redirecting to the Google Drive, and this is the folder created at 2:34 a.m. So you can edit any of it and review any of the files. So this is the PDF file. You don't need to make any editing, but you can also download it. Yes, it's already downloaded. We can open up on the PDF format, and if we download Microsoft PowerPoint for the last check, enable the editing. So the user itself can download and manage to edit any files, the content, such as adding another slide, new slides, and edit it. And I've saved it to the version 3 of the same format, save, and we have to drop it into the folder back. It requires a responsibility job by the authorized user. So we remove the older file, or we just left it just like that because we have named it into version 1, 2, 3. We just drag it, minimize, yes, open up from the folder of downloaded before, yes, it's version 3, minimize everything and just drop it, and it start upload into the new folder. And it's complete. Now there it is. The secret key of the encryption file is being set up by the authorized user. Therefore, this is my mini project that I created before. This is our responses. First responses, which is friends.